Hello everyone and welcome back to the software testing channel. Today we learn about the what is the performance testing. Performance testing is nothing but checking the stability and the response time of application by applying load. Load means user. By applying load it's called a performance testing. What is the stability and what is the response time of application? So first we see the stability of an application. What is the definition of the stability? Stability is the ability to stand the design number of user with application is called a application stability. What is the design number of user? Design number of user is nothing but checking the load testing or applying the load testing on your application with specific number of user like 50 user. So we move forward to the response time. What is the response time? So any specific user send a request to the server. This is a server and this is a user. You see here a user icon and it's a server icon. So user send the request to the server and server process that request and response back to the client or user. In between that time it's called a response time. So I send the request to the server like google.com. So google.com, that request goes to the Google server and Google server process that request and response back to the client or response back to the me. So it's total response time. Send a request to the server process the request and response back to the client. It's called a response time. Total number of time it's in a second, millisecond or minute. So you can check the response time of application by using API. So API is nothing but application programming interface which is run behind the application. So whenever the client send the request to the server and its API is intermediate between the client and the server, so it's run background process or run the background request. It's called a API. It's provide the application programming interface to the server and the client. That is called an API. I hope you understand very well what is the performance testing, what is the stability and what is the response time. I also describe in this video about the API, what is the API and how it's work of the client and server side. So I hope you get the very well what is the performance testing, what is the stability, what is the response time of application and what is the API. If you doubt, please comment below in comment section. I will reply back to the comment with example. Thank you.